Hi, my name is Carmen. I am a senior at Francis Lewis High School, and this is my NAVI interview with how their mentor has certainly helped me in my college application process. I am planning on attending Northeastern University in the fall. And for my major, it's a pre-med track and health science psychology. So my NAVI mentor was Hannah. She's the absolute best. I cannot hype her up enough. She's the best. So the first thing she did was just get to know me. She got to know like what I wanted to major in, what I was interested in school. So like I said, she helped me with picking out my major as well. I didn't know I wanted to go into pre-med yet, but I knew I liked psychology, but she also exposed me to other avenues potentially. And then we would look over different schools for a few weeks and just talk about them and what I liked about them, what I didn't. And we eventually came up with like a master list of the schools I would be applying to. And if at honors colleges, we also put it there. So she really helped me with everything in the specific major I would take within that college if I applied. And after that, she also helped me get my look into different internships for the summer and get my summer internship. So I interned and am currently interning at the Met Museum, which required an essay. So she helped me brainstorm and write up those essays. And after that, we started brainstorming for my actual Common App personal statement. And that was super helpful. Like we just spent like a few weeks just brainstorming. And then after that, we wrote it over the summer. And by like I want to say early October and September, I was done with my Common App essay. And then we started working on supplementals. It really helped me get things in order and know what I was looking for and be really ahead of everyone else. Like my senior year has been so relaxing so far. In terms of like prepping for an essay, I would say the most important thing is have a game plan. So what she helped me with was really narrowing the focus and having like have a thesis statement or like a guiding what do I want the admission officer to be left with. For what I think is the key, definitely preparing early. My essay, I'm so glad I started in like April or whatever because it's such a good essay. I'm really proud of that essay. It's something I was able to craft from that I feel like shows who I am as well as a great coherent and tells a great story. It was definitely starting. I would 100% recommend starting earlier. If I had any advice, I would honestly say like don't kill yourself over everything. Having someone to keep you in check and keep you in line really helps with that, I think. You don't need to stress out. But of course, put your best foot forward. So, yeah, definitely recommend starting the process earlier. Definitely recommend don't try and fake who you want to be. Like, I don't want to say market yourself, but put yourself forward to these AOs. The admission officers is the best thing I could offer. Yeah.